All right, one of the really basic concepts as far as functions is concerned is the idea of increasing, decreasing, and constant intervals. So when we look at the graph of a function and we're asked to find out where it's increasing, decreasing, constant, what we want to do is kind of read the graph from left to right and kind of look at it like a roller coaster. I mean, if you're moving from left to right here on a roller coaster, you're going down, so you're decreasing until you get to this point here, and then at this point you're not going up or down, so you're constant. You're constant until you get to this point, and then at this point you go up, 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 and you continue to go up or increase. So what we're going to do to figure out, first of all, where it's we'll do increasing first. The increasing part of the function is where we're going up, and you can see that that happens when your x value is at 1. And actually it continues to increase. Since there's an arrow here at the end, we can assume that it continues to increase forever. So what I'm going to say is that our function, and this is just my own notation, is increasing, an arrow going up, on this interval from 1 to infinity. And we usually like to use the open interval notation in order to represent our intervals where it's increasing, decreasing, constant. So what we can say is from 1 on, it's going up. Okay, now for decreasing, we're going to be looking here, and we can see we're going down until we get to here, like all of this, and we can assume, again, because there's an arrow, that all the way back it's going down. So as we move from left to right, we would say the function is decreasing, okay, on the interval negative infinity to where? To this x value, negative 2. Okay, so that's from all the way over here, all the way up until you get to negative 2. Now, the last thing is to figure out where it's constant, and it's constant right in this little interval right here, and that starts out at negative 2 and 1. So f is constant, and I'm just going to put a straight line left and right, is actually between negative 2 and 1, so we use negative 2 and 1. And that's it.